You're
Acknowledge
watching
first
14th
Congressman
Quadcom
Paduano
hearing.
for some admin matters. Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Once again, good morning, everyone. Mr. Chairman, we haven't received a copy of the excuse letter coming from former DOJ Secretary, Attorney Vitaliano Aguirre, with regards to the invitation sent to him, and he sent an excuse letter dated January 20, just today. And, but of course, he has a commitment through his letter, and I hope all the members of this honorable committee has a copy of this, that he committed that he will be present in the next hearing. Short notice daw, at the same time, may commitment siya with regards to some cases that he's handling today. So with that, Mr. Chairman, I move that we will issue an invitation for Attorney Vitaliano Aguirre on the next hearing, scheduled hearing.
Comsec, please take note of the order of the committee with respect to the invitation to be sent to former Justice Secretary Vit Aguirre.
Next, Mr. Chairman, we received a copy of the excuse letter coming from Police Colonel Marvin Marcos Jr. Stating that he is now an official leave, and attached herewith are the official permission for Major Police Colonel Marvin Marcos for his leave of absence, Mr. Chairman, and signed by Police Colonel Renato Lizardo, Chief Admin and Resource Management Division. So with that, Mr. Chairman, once again, we'll just invite, send an invitation for Police Colonel Marcos for the next hearing, Mr. Chairman. So move.
Please take note of the request of Congressman Paduano, Comsec.
Next, Mr. Chairman, is the excuse letter sent by the lawyers of retired Police Colonel Garma, in the person of Attorney Kilang and Attorney Kumigad, who is invited to this hearing to testify with regards to the statement being made by former Police Colonel Grijaldo. And for the record, Mr. Chairman, we have also an affidavit coming from the two lawyers with regards to what really transpired during the meeting with Grijaldo and our co-chair, Chairman Abante and Chairman Dan Fernandez. So I will just use this affidavit, Mr. Chairman, the later part when we discuss the issue about the Grijaldo's statement in the Senate, Mr. Chairman. Now, we have also received an excuse letter
Let's follow
coming from
for more videos.
Commissioner